Hey everyone, today I want to talk about how to make money on TikTok. Yes, you can make money with TikTok in several different ways, and I will show you some of them, a few of them. And the first one is TikTok Creativity Program. You can the website on tiktok.com as you see on my screen now. And TikTok, previously called Creator Fund, TikTok created an improved fund for content creators to earn money on the app, and it's called the Creativity Program. There are a few requirements in order to apply for this program, and it is including having at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, as you see. And you can see the policy of creativity program beta here. And also I want to say that another key element is that creators must post videos that are longer than 1 minute to receive compensation through this program. However, TikTok has claimed that creators can earn up to 20 times more than offered through the creator fund. Yes, and the second way to make money is TikTok Live. You can make money with live streaming, and accounts with more than 1,000 followers on TikTok can start live streaming and monetizing their videos. So users can buy coins that they later give away to users who are making live videos. When content creators make live videos and receive donations or coins, they can exchange them for real money. And the last way is TikTok Creator Marketplace. As you see, it's also creatormarketplace.tiktok.com, and there are many ways to make money here. So partner with creators in three-way steps. They are search for creators, invite to collaborate, and they can view insights. So as you see, there are tools that you need as a creator. So you can collaborate with creators based on your industry, budget, and business goals. So you can visit this website creatormarketplace.tiktok.com, and then you can sign up to join, start using all of these features. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please share your comments and feel free to ask.